Welcome to episode 3. Sometimes telling the model what you want is not enough, you have to show it. 2 or 3 examples can replace a paragraph of rules. That technique is called few-shot prompting. 3 example pairs baked into the messages array. The model sees the shape of your input and the shape of your output, then mimics that pattern for the next user message. No long instructions needed. The format itself is the spec. 4 signals that few-shot will help. The shape is hard to describe with words. You need consistent labels. The task is narrow, but format matters a lot. Or zero-shot results swing wildly between calls. Examples pin down what words cannot. Old folk wisdom of prompt engineering. 2 examples beat 10 lines of instructions every time. The trick is variety. Cover short and long inputs. Cover edge cases. Don't show 4 positive examples, then expect strong negative classification. The model generalizes from what you show breadth, and you get breadth. Next episode, chain of thought, telling the model to think out loud before answering, and the new reasoning models that do it by default.